Are you looking for a great quality speed rope? Then you should check out what other customers are saying about TerraFit's Ultra Speed Cable Rope. They say our speed rope is the best. They prefer TerraFit over other brands. Some say our rope is their favorite one, or simply fantastic. Others claim it's excellent made. Our customers love using the speed rope during their CrossFit trainings. They prefer using our rope rather than any other CrossFit brand names. That's because they feel much better about doing double unders with this rope. One customer said, "I hate double unders, but with this product, hopefully I can conquer them." And if you want to improve your double unders, we provide a rapid results manual just for that. Lisa especially liked that we offer our customers tips on how to do double unders correctly. But why are people crazy about TerraFit rope? These are a few of the reasons. It's light and fast, making double unders easy. It is smooth, super easy to adjust, has comfortable handles, and it comes with instructions. Not only are our customers in love with our product, they also love our customer service and are quite happy with our service. Otherwise, why would they say our customer service is outstanding? You should not buy this rope if you are a beginner. The recommended rope for beginners is beaded or a plastic rope. If you plan on using it outdoors, our speed rope is for indoor use only. You should look for a plastic or leather rope for outdoor use. If you don't want a light rope, the Ultra Speed rope was specifically designed with speed in mind. Choose a weight rope if you want a heavier rope. Are you ready to improve your jumping speed? You don't have to worry about this product because TerraFit offers a 120-day money-back guarantee on all speed ropes.